I'm just going to take this 997 Sport Classic Restomod for a little bit of a spin. See you in a sec. Right, today I'm in a 997 Gen 1 Sport Classic Restomod. This is one of 3 or 4 cars that we built 3 or 4 years ago now. So this car is particularly lovely. It's in a crayon kind of exterior, lots of lovely little accents inside and in kind of speed yellow tip, Gen 1 tip. I mean, if you know anything about the Sport Classics now, the 997 Sport Classics are going for around about £300,000. And even to build this one today with the body kit, the wheels and the updates on it, it's probably well over £100,000. An absolutely brilliant daily driver, if you like, which looks like a £300,000 Classic. Probably put a PCM upgrade in here and put the Sport Classic comms in it, so you've got all the Apple CarPlay or Google. But apart from that, I think that's all I'd do to it. It's a pretty gorgeous car, stunning to look at, and as I say, well over £100,000 bill if we were to try and recreate it today.